In this video, you will learn how to evaluate without using table, and it has to do with logarithm. So if you are sitting for GCE, NECO, GCE, WAEC or SSCE, you should remember that such a question are easy for you to see. Now we are asked to multiply or evaluate 5 log 2 plus log 340 plus or minus log 12.8. Now you see that since all of them has no base, they are all in base 10. So take note of that. Now 12.8 is only decimal we have there, and if we want to simplify this will be 128 divided by 10. 128 divided by 10 will give us what? 12.8. So that means we can replace this with this, and this is going to give us 5 log 2 plus log 40 minus log of 128 divided by 10. Now, with the principles of logarithm, you can easily simplify all this. Now, you recall that law of logarithm that if you have a log b, right, this can be equal to the log of a base what? Base b, because the multiplicand becomes the what? The power. So if we apply it here, we're going to have this to become log of 5 base 2 to be equal plus log of 40 minus the log of 128 divided by 10. Great. Now, having done that, you come to see that 2 to the power of 5 can be equal to 30 what? That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 5 places is going to give us 32. Great. So that means we can replace this with that log of 32 plus log of 40 minus log of 128 divided by 10. Great. So having seen this, let us flash our mind back to the multiplication and division laws of logarithm. In the multiplication law of logarithm, if you have log AB, this can be equal to the log of A plus the log of B, right? And if we have the log of A divided by B, this can be equal to the log of A minus the log of what? B. Now, if we apply that law to this addition and subtraction, this will give us, since they don't have any base, we put them to base 10, and this will be log of 32 addition multiplied by 40, right? Divided by 128 divided by what? 10. And that is what that will give us. So if we simplify this, we should be able to get the solution to this question. Now let's simplify that. If we simplify that, that whole equation will now give us, this will now give us the whole log of base 10 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 40, because this is the denominator, it can come up to become 10, and this whole thing will be equal to 128, right? Great. So let's simplify this by reducing this to a simpler term. Now, if we reduce this to a simpler term, what do we have? If we have 32 here, will give us 1. How many 32 can we get in 128? That will give us 4, right? Good. Now, when we have that, 4 can give us 1. 4 here can give us 10, right? So that means that solution will now be the log of 10 to what? 10 times 10 is what? 100, right? So that is equal to the log of, this will be equal to the log of 10 to base what? 100. Now recall that 100 can be equal to 10 to the power of 2. So this can give me the log of 10 to the power of 2 base 10. And recall, this can be equal to, according to that law of logarithm, if I have the log of a base b, this can be equal to b log what? Log a. So this is going to give me 2 multiplied by the log of 10 base what? Base 10. Now if we simplify this, log of a base a is simply equal to 1. So if this gives me 1, this will give me what? 2 multiplied by 1, and that will be equal to 2. So you see, that whole question giving us there, the solution to that question is 2. And that is the answer to that question that is given to us. So you see, solving questions like this can be very, very easy. If you are given this in your part 2, the theory part, just make sure you don't use table, you don't use calculator. You can be able to get your answer easily without much stress. I know you do have, or you gain much from watching this video solution, this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you the best in your exams. See you in my next video.